World-renowned tuning shop AC Schnitzer recently directed its focus to one of Land Rover's most popular vehicles, the new Range Rover Sport Diesel, and the result is absolutely delightful. A quick glance at the Schnitzer Sport reveals a host of aesthetic upgrades including a front spoiler, side and rear trim, a twin silencer exhaust and custom wheels. However, the most notable changes made to the Range Rover Sport Diesel occur under the hood, including an enhanced exhaust system that increases horsepower without compromising emissions, a key concern with diesel vehicles. The AC Schnitzer Range Rover Sport sees a considerable jump in power, climbing from a respectable 292 HP to a whopping 340 HP. With a tuned 3.0-liter V6, we can only imagine what it must feel like to accelerate in this torque monster. The Range Rover Autobiography 5.0 Supercharged is the top of the line when it comes to the Range Rover model lineup and exudes confidence, style, and luxury from every pore. Kahn Design was able to take that one step further with the 600LE Edition upgrade package and transform the SUV into a king of the asphalt catwalk. The new Kahn Design Range Rover Autobiography 5.0 Supercharged 600LE in Santorini Black with ivory leather showcases the best of both Kahn Design and Range Rover to deliver a sensational driving experience. The transformation with the Kahn Design 600LE program began with the front fascia, where the British team installed a new carbon composite front bumper assembly with exposed carbon fiber centerpiece. Atop of the bumper sits a 3D mesh grille that finishes off the bolder stare of the Range Rover Autobiography. New carbon fiber finished vents and Kahn enamel wing shields decorate each side of the luxury SUV. Carbon fiber also makes its presence felt at the rear. Here, Kahn Design gave the Range Rover Autobiography 600LE Edition a new carbon fiber assembly and exposed carbon fiber exhaust diffuser, adding some sport to the SUV. Protruding from that diffuser is a stainless steel quad crosshair exhaust system with aluminum tips. To finish things off, an extended roof spoiler and lower trunklet spoiler help generate some stability on the way to its 155 miles per hour top speed. Inside, the commitment to tailored luxury is evident throughout the cabin. A smooth and comfortable quilted and perforated ivory leather adorns both the front and rear seats and creates a warm and elegant atmosphere. Nappa leather also adorns the door tops, armrests, center console, and steering wheel center to match the seats. New machined aluminum door entry sill plates and vented foot pedals add the final custom tailored touch to the posh cabin. The new Range Rover 600LE features the floating light design language from Kahn Design, lending the luxury SUV a dynamic and commanding presence. Kahn Design created a full aerodynamic body kit for the Range Rover 600LE using this design language. The fascia of the luxury SUV changes dramatically thanks to a full bumper replacement with integrated LED daytime running lights at the bottom of the side intakes, and a new grille with 3D floating mesh insert. Adding to the more commanding presence is a set of 9.5x23 Kahn RS2 wheels that fill in the wheel well seamlessly. The rear of the Range Rover 600LE also offers a more athletic and powerful appearance thanks to Kahn Design. A full bumper replacement with integrated exhaust diffuser lends a sportier look, especially when coupled with the new Kahn crosshair textured matte black quad rear tailpipes. To improve aerodynamics and styling, a new RS upper roof wing and lower bootlet spoiler with extended lip were also added. Inside, the Range Rover 600LE lives up to its luxury edition name. New seats with generous side supports hold passengers in place and provide a soft, smooth feel thanks to handcrafted Nappa leather. A wide range of instrument gauges, trim pieces, and other options are available in a wide range of colors and finishes to create the perfectly tailored luxury SUV. Kahn Design has released their creation of the 4th generation Range Rover Vogue Sport, which is called Kahn Range Rover 4.4 SDV8 Vogue Signature Edition. It offers a decent transformation according to some remarkable parts according to the interior and the exterior of Range Rover Vogue Sport. According to the exterior, the Range Rover Vogue Sport is painted in Avis Bianco pearl white, which contrasts perfectly with the piano black roof and various accents like a boot-lid spoiler, liquid gold brake calipers, piano black mirror caps and pearl gray door accents. The Kahn Range Rover 4.4 SDV8 Vogue Signature Edition rides on 23 x 9.5-inch gunmetal grey Kahn R600 wheels, which come in at 23 x 9.5-inch. At the back, a huge panoramic glass sunroof completes the high-quality leather interior of the Range Rover 4.4 SDV8 Vogue Signature Edition, which can also be ordered in every imaginable color. This composite materials from motorsports can also be used for different sporty physique upgrades. The Startech refinement carbon fiber program for the very Rover Sport includes the radiator grille, exterior mirror housings, aspect air vents within the entrance fenders, the liftgate trim strip and the surrounds of the hood vents. The Startech suspension module for the usual air suspension gives extra agile dealing with and additional enhanced security reserves. It lowers the journey peak of the very Rover Sport by 25 mm when touring on roads. For getting out and in of the automobile, in addition to for off-street operations, the automobile's experience peak stays on the manufacturing degree. Startech refinement additionally means extra driving enjoyable by extra energy. Startech presents the SD30S efficiency package for the very Rover Sport, powered by the 3.0-liter LRTD V6 twin-turbo diesel engine. The Startech module controls the engine with new mapping and is designed as a plug-and-play machine that may be put in by any specialist workshop in lower than an hour. After the setup, the motive force instructions: a robust 323 horsepower at a low 400,000 RPM, up from the usual 292 horsepower. On the similar time, peak torque will increase from commonplace 600 Nm to 680 Nm, on faucet already at a low 2000 RPM. The efficiency-tuned turbo diesel engine is the right complement to the 8-velocity automated transmission and shortens the dash time for 0 to 62 miles per hour from customary 7.2 to 6.9 seconds. The truck immediately stands out from the stock Range Rover thanks to a more aggressive front fascia characterized by a deep front bumper with numerous air vents, a new gloss black radiator grille and 2 upswept rows of LED daytime running lights. Side skirts and massive multi-spoke 23-inch alloy wheels tucked away under flared fenders noticeably increase the Range's road presence. The cockpit has been spruced up with 4 individual seats upholstered in diamond-quilted black leather, a full-length center console and acres of real carbon fiber trim. Startech has not made any major mechanical modifications, meaning the pickup is powered by a stock Range Rover source supercharged 5.0-liter V8 engine. However, a custom-built exhaust system adds about 16 horsepower, bumping the 8 cylinders output to 518 horsepower. The truck can reach 62 miles per hour from a stop in 5.3 seconds and go on to an electronically limited top speed of 155 miles per hour. German Lumma design company presented their own version of a charged Range Rover Sport SUV. Taking the top configuration model SVR, the tuners have improved as the appearance of the car and its technical stuffing. tuning Range Rover Sport SVR from the Lumma Design Company has received a unique 22-inch wheels, upgraded bumpers, diffuser, splitter, and spoiler. In finishing, salon SUV tuners used bright green decorative inserts and stitching. Note that the default version of the Range Rover Sport SVR is sufficiently powerful 5.0-liter V8 engine 550 HP, but this skill Lumma Studio was not enough. They forced the engine to 680 horses, and to achieve such an impressive result was only by rewriting the control unit moving and installation of a new exhaust system. Unfortunately, the dynamic characteristics of the Lumma CLR-SV were not disclosed, but they certainly will be much better than the source. But the standard 550 HP SVR and so gaining 100 in 4.7 seconds, and its top speed is limited to 160 miles per hour. Aftermarket tuners are always particular with the kind of programs they build for their customers. Lumma design engineers work the same way, which is why the CLSSR program offers a unique blend of aerodynamic and performance enhancements designed to bring out the best in the Range Rover. Lumma design always has a thing for fancy new wheels. The company actually builds its own, so in this case, as it went for a massive set of 22 and 23-inch wheel options. Lumma is offering its crown jewel wheel set, the CLR23 GT, and a slightly smaller variety, the Mono 22R. Both sets of wheels are then fitted with a set of either Continental or Verdestine tires. Whatever set you choose, these wheels are understandably awesome. Lumma Design CLRSR program for the Range Rover rounds itself out with a sharp performance upgrade for diesel models of the SUV. The kit can be installed through plug-and-play plugs, adding another 30 horsepower and 44 pound-feet of torque. The Range Rover diesel engine options include a 3.0-liter V6 turbo diesel offered in two variants. The TD V6 has 258 horsepower and 442 pound-feet of torque at its disposal, while the SD V6 comes with 292 horsepower and the same amount of torque. CO developed with Prince, the model has a 2.0-liter four-cylinder petrol engine and an autogas system that injects LPG into the combustion chambers. This results in an optimized combustion process and consequently an outstanding power yield and clean emissions. While the model produces 240 HP, Startech says CO2 emissions cut by 15% and fuel costs are reduced by 50%. When the 74-liter LPG tank is depleted, the autogas system deactivates to enable the engine to run exclusively on petrol. If you're looking for fuel savings without the LPG tech, Startech offers a Power Extra SD22 kit for the Evoque's 2.2-liter turbo diesel engine. It enables the mill to produce 215 HP and 339 lb-ft of torque, an increase of 25 HP and 29 lb-ft. This allows the crossover to run from 0 to 62 in 8.3 seconds and hit a top speed in excess of 124 miles per hour.